No, I was trying to get the Happy Days on the TV, but it won't come in.
Happy Days? What's that?
All I get is fuzz.
Fuzz.
For 3 days, nothing. Hey! That's the phone. Let me see that. Wrong line.
Oh, okay.
You know what? That gives me an idea. Give me the phone book. Maybe we can call that guy.
What guy?
You know that guy. That guy. Let's see. Yellow Pages. Yeah, okay, give me the phone.
Hi, you have reached us at Vanguard Electronics. This is Kevin. I'm away from the desk right at the moment, or on another line. Please leave a message and I'll call you back.
Yeah, Kevin? This is the captain. Pick up. Kevin? Did you forget about me? You were supposed to be here about 4 hours ago. Kevin? Are you there? Pick up.
Nah, we're having problems with our dish again. We were wondering if you could come check it out. Yeah, also...
Yeah, we're wondering if you could come over. You better start returning our calls. We've called about 5 times now. Also, we were wondering if you knew anything about interplanetary communications using those...
Captain! We're receiving the communication from that big thing headed right towards us!
What's going on, Chinor?